Hi, I'm Evie, and in this video I will be showing you how to interact with and manipulate a small scale or tabletop model. Here we have our Trimble Connect demo model, and we'll start with near touch interactions. So for a near touch interaction, you want to get up close and actually touch with both hands in the model. Then you can pinch to move, you can spread your hands apart and together to scale, and forwards and backwards to rotate the model. You can also use one hand to rotate the model using these spheres on the side of the bounding box, and scale the model using one hand using these corner markers to make the model bigger and smaller. For far touch interaction, you want to step back and see these rays coming out of your fingers. Here you can air tap in the model and bring your hands apart and together to scale, forwards and backwards to rotate, or just move the model around. You can also use one hand in the model to move it around. You can use one hand with far touch to use the side spheres to rotate the model, or the corner markers to scale the model. And that concludes my demonstration on how to interact with a tabletop model. Thank you for watching.